Hey, so if you're trying to submit a Google form and keep getting an error, like it won't go through or says something went wrong, yeah, that can be really frustrating. But don't worry, this is usually easy to fix. I'll walk you through it step by step. So let's get into it. First, make sure your internet connection is stable. A weak connection can interrupt the submission process. Next, refresh the page and try submitting the form again. Yeah, sometimes it's just a temporary glitch. Make sure you've filled out all required fields. If anything is missing or incorrect, the form won't submit. If the form includes file uploads, make sure your file meets the size and format requirements. Some forms require you to be logged into a Google account. Make sure you're signed in before submitting. Now try opening the form in incognito or private mode. This disables extensions and uses a clean session. Also, extensions like ad blockers or script blockers can interfere with form submissions. Try disabling them temporarily. If it's still not working, switch to another browser or device. Sometimes the issue is device specific. And yeah, sometimes Google services might be down. Check their status page if the issue continues. So yeah, that's how you fix Google Forms submission errors. One of these steps should get your form submitted successfully. All right, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.